channel. How are you guys doing? I hope that you guys are doing well. If you read the title, you know what we're doing. We're going to try and make a wig because I am tired of wearing my hair like this. I am getting lazy and just don't feel like wearing my natural hair, so I'm trying to wear more wigs, so that is what I'm doing. I'm gonna be doing like this crochet like wig to make it look like my natural hair. It won't look like this, but it's gonna be like a little bit more fluffier and stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah. So the first thing I did was measure it. So my hair, I'm gonna take this off. My hair from like right where I want it to be to like down here, I'm gonna put it there, is around, let's do this again. Put it right here. It's around 14.5 inches. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna start at the front, right here, and measure it, go back to where the 14.5 inches is, and then I'm just gonna mold it down. So I'm molding. I don't have any pins that I use to stuck it, so I'm just gonna use these bobby pins right here to just kind of just keep it in place, kind of. I'll put one more. One fell. I'm about to find that one later. And then now that I put them in, I'm going to remeasure it just to make sure that it's all like at 14. Because you don't want it to be too tight on your head, and you also don't want it to be too loose. So okay, so it's good. Now I'm just gonna be taking my crochet needle and I'm just gonna start placing them. I kind of want it to like look like it's falling like all over, so I won't do them in like rows. I'm just gonna put them like down, and then I'm just gonna shape it as I go along. So yeah, let me open up all of these and then I'll be right back. So I just wanted to start so I can get a feel of everything. This is what I did so far. I just did like 2 of them. So now we're just gonna do right like around the nape and like keep going up. And then when I reach up to the top, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it to make it not look so like obvious. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. I know y'all see spaces in between it, but don't worry about that for right now. Oh, let me come back to a minute. Right now, I'm just gonna like separate them. So the ones at the top, my camera died, so I forgot to tell y'all, but ones at the top, I just split them before I did it. Now I'm just gonna split the ones at the bottom. So just splitting it. I'm just gonna split them in two like this. Yeah, so I am done fluffing. I think it looks pretty. I already have this black thing on my head. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on. Just to make sure that it looks like how it looks. This is the back. So anyway, this is how it looks. Let me part my hair so I can see what I'm doing. So now all I'm gonna do right now is like shape it up. I know you guys are gonna see my face, but I just want to give you like a 360 of it so you guys can see. So now I'm gonna like attempt to cut it now. And when you're cutting curly hair, sometimes it's best to like cut down. Like cut it down in a downward like fashion. So I'm just cutting off the excess, and then I think after I'm cutting off the excess, I'm gonna shape it some more, I wanna say. But yeah, this is what it kinda looks like. Hold on y'all. I have to get this out of my face a little bit. Just so I can like shape the rest of it. Oh, this piece is so long right here. I think I should cut some bangs in these. Cause like, I don't wanna go out and cannot see in public. So let's cut this a little bit more. Yeah, like this. Oh, I'm actually loving how this is turning out. Let's shape this one here. Ooh, ouch. But yeah, so I cut a little bangs in here. Y'all, look at this. Oh my goodness. This looks so good, y'all. I turn around. I can't see the back yet, so y'all don't laugh at me. I'm gonna go ahead and shape it some more. And then I'm gonna come back and show y'all like the final result. And as you can tell, you cannot see any space in between it. And I think it looks good. It makes me look like Tina Turner in a way. So yeah, now I am going to go ahead and go shape it a little bit more, check the camera, fix some of this stuff, and then I come back and show you guys the final result. So yeah, so I am getting ready to go out. I finished shaping the hair and everything, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, show you guys how it look. This cap came with some little crochet thingies, the hooks, so I don't have to worry about it sliding up and down on this outer wig cap that I have on. But yeah, so let me fix this up a little bit, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna out of the way. So that's what it looks like, guys. I hope you guys like it. I like it. I feel like there's like, I need to shape right here. It looks weird. It's just like sticking out. Okay guys, so I am finished making this wig. I hope you guys like it. I think it looks so cute and I love the color on me. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.